Why does my spine click when I move?
That is an excellent question. The number one reason why spines click when they move is because there's a muscle spasm in your spine. It is so tight in your spine that when you move, the ligaments and tendons are moving over things, clicking. So if the spasm wasn't there, your spine wouldn't click. That's how you know that a spasm is the cause of your clicking spine.
How do you get rid of that spasm?
Well, you have to come here, obviously. So the thing is, these spasms that people think they have are not these short-term acute things. By the time they come here, the spasm is a chronic, progressing, as in worsening condition, that one spasm is turning into 5, which is turning into 15, that's creating this complicated mess of issues. You're not going to be able to take a spasm medication and think you're going to get better. Because if you could, you would have been better by now.